Hi, second graders. This is Miss Linder here. Today is Monday, April 27th, and we're going to be doing a science lesson. We are going to be comparing the life cycles of amphibians, which are frogs, and then insects, which are butterflies. So we talked about this last week about the butterfly life cycle, which was they started in the eggs, they turn into the caterpillar, then they go in their pupa, and then they transform into a butterfly. We call that metamorphosis. And then the cycle just repeats. And then for the frog, the adult lays the eggs, then the eggs turn into the tadpoles, and then they go to the young frog, and then the froglet, and then an adult frog. All goes back in a circle. If you want to look at the previous slides from last week, there's some reading, some videos. You can do that just to brush up on each life cycle. So for today's activity, we are going to be comparing the life cycles of the amphibians, the frogs, and the insects. So remember what we learned about from last time about both of them. You are going to put what the frogs have, what the butterflies have, and then in the middle is what they both have. What do they do the same? What do they have in common? So then when you are finished with this, you are going to send it to your teacher, Parent Square, Class Dojo. You can email it to them. Just make sure you are sending them of your work because we are excited to see your work and we would love to see it from you. If you have any questions, please reach out to any of us and then we'll see you next time.